What's up, y'all? Swing 17. It's our box of Ginter. Let's bust. I think everybody knows what kind of stuff you can get out of here. There's 3 hits per box. There's printing plates, there's relic cards, there's pieces of hair, there's autos, rip cards. You got cards that you can plant in the ground. It's just all kinds of weird crap in here. And Nick S. won the random for the box loader, and here it is. Got a checklist, and let's crack this baby open. Carlos Gonzalez. Pretty nice there. That's our box loader, and that goes to Nick S. from Chicago. Alright guys, I'm up first. I won the random for the first 2 packs, as you know. I'm just gonna grab and go. Let's rip. No particular order. Here's the first 2, guys. This is me. Good luck to everybody that got in. I know some of you still owe. I know you'll take care of it. Get it done soon, guys. Here you go. First one, James Loney, Ian Kennedy, Tim Lincecum, Rodriguez, Josh Rodriguez, Pirates rookie, Eric Jackson. He's a freestyle kayaking champion. Again, there's a lot of weird cards in here, so it'll take me a second sometimes on some of them. Drew Storen. Our mini is Buster Posey. And Hometown Heroes, Danny Valencia from Boca Raton, Florida. Nice Twins PC for me there. Pack 2. TMCD, you're up next, buddy. Johan Santana, Omar Infante, Justin Upton, Aubrey Huff, Amy Mullins. She's a Paralympic champion, world record holder. Mini fill out. Kyle Petty, Adam Jones mini, and Mike Napoli, Hometown Heroes. Advertising there. Those are my first 2 packs. Up next, TMCD. TMCD, here you go, bud. You got a hit too. You got a hit. Jorge Posada, Irvin Santana, Adam Dunn, Grady Sizemore. It's a relic. Mark Teixeira relic. It's kind of sideways in there. And that is, oh, Michael Bourne. Your mini is Michael Bourne. Hometown hero Dexter Fowler. But the hit was Mark Teixeira. There's that one. TMCD. That's yours, man. Pack 2. Ryan Braun, Alex Rios, Ricky Romero, Mark Rogers rookie for the Brewers, Gregory Infante rookie, Jason Hayward, a mine that made Dmitry Mendeleev, and your mini is the Amityville Haunting. Let's see that. Okay, those are your first two TMCD. Next up, Steel Second. Steel Second's up next. Grab two from anywhere. Steel Second. These are your first. These are your 2 packs, bud. TMCD was nice enough to split these with you. Very nice of him. If he pulls something, you better hook him up. Chris Iannetta, Austin Jackson, Wandy Rodriguez, Timothy Sheaf. He won the 2009 Barclay Card World Free Run Championships. That's some weird stuff, man. Sue Bird, WNBA. John Lester. And the mini is Jordan Zimmerman. And Adam Wainwright, Hometown Heroes. That's your first pack, Steel Second. Here's your second one. And final one. Thanks for getting in, bud. Roy Halladay. Jonathan Papelbon. Nelson Cruz. Dickie V. Dick Vitale. Sonia Richards.
The U.S. Chamber of Commerce convened its second annual job summit.
She's a track and field competitor. Baseball highlight sketches. Edwin Jackson tosses a no-no. That's an Edwin Jackson sketch card. Your mini is the Tasmanian Devil. How fitting. And the Hometown Heroes, Andrew Bailey. Those are yours, Steel Second. Up next, we got 82 Redbirds. My man Randall. What's up, Randall? These are your first 2, buddy. I gotta say, I like the, the layout of. You got a hit too, Randall. Randall got a hit too. I like the cards. Always like Ginter. They're good for getting signed. So, all right, here we go. Randall got a hit, but here's his first few. Daniel Bard, Ryan Howard. Please trade that to me. C.J. Wilson. Highlight sketches. Steven Strasburg. Pretty nice card there. And we'll slow roll your hit. A relic of Phil Hughes. Yankees. Phil Hughes relic. And your mini, Chad Billingsley. And Derek Lowe, Hometown Heroes. So that's 2 relics. I know I watched a lot of the breaks on Cards Infinity on YouTube, and they were getting a lot of relics also out of these boxes. Hard to hit the good autographs, that's for sure. But Randall got a nice Phil Hughes there. Another hit. Randall gets 2 of the 3 hits in the box. Jesus. This guy. Looks like another relic too. Okay, here we go. Logan Morrison, Marlins. Danny Ugla. Julius Chassin for the Rockies. Clay Buchholz. Slow roll hits. Slow roll hits. Justin Morneau, game used memorabilia. Please trade that to me also. Please trade that to me also. Nice hit. More relics. Adam Dunn mini. And Alex Gordon, who's having a nice year for the Royals. There you go, Randall. 2 packs, 2 hits. How do you rate? Next up is me. All the hits are gone. We got all these packs left, man. Supposedly all the hits are gone. But here's my last two. Here we go. Adam LaRoche, Jorge De La Rosa, Jacoby Ellsbury, B.J. Upton, Cliff Lee. There's another Danny Valencia for me. Uninvited guest mini, the Lemp Mansion, and USS Pennsylvania, Floating Fortresses. Sorry guys, at the end I took all the hits out. First few packs, man. My second pack and final pack, my fourth pack actually, and final. Andres Torres, Mark Burley, Kelly Johnson, Torrey Hunter, Chuck Woolery. I know he's got an autograph in this set, that'd be sweet. Some chick boxer, Juliton, the Man in the Iron Mask mini. I don't like minis. If any of you guys want them or collect them, let me know. You can have my minis. And Stephen Drew, Hometown Heroes. I don't collect minis. And those are my final two. Up next, Andy N. Here you go, buddy. Took all the hits out, so now everybody's bored. Carlos Gonzalez, Daniel Hudson, A-Rod, Martin Prado, Matt Hoffman, looks like a freestyle BMX rider, Aubrey Huff. Your mini is Step Right Up, the fire-eating Spitfire mini, and David DeJesus. Second pack, Andy. Nick S. gets the next 4 packs. Nick S. gets the next 4 after this one. Here we go, Andy. Here's your second one. Carlos Beltran, Matt Latos, Gino Ariema, Francisco Liriano. Here's a nice Ascent of Man card of kind of flag to it. I don't even know. You'll have to check that out, whoever. Andy. Cody Ross, your mini is Toto. You got a Toto mini from Wizard of Oz. And Floating Fortresses, the USS Monitor. And be the first to crack the code. Got a code card there. Okay, Andy, those are yours. Nick S. gets the next 4. Here's your 4. Kind of mixed about these Ginter cards. Seems to be a lot of relics, and that's all we hit this box so far. A lot of relics, but nice cards to get signed and collect, that's for sure. Nick S., here you go, man. Chicago. Luke Scott, there's a White Sox card for you. Carlos Quentin, he's a White Sox fan. I'm sorry. Zamenhof, LL Zamenhof, he is inventor. He's an inventor. Peekaboo Street. Ascent of Man card, I don't even know how to say it. Jason Worth, Daniel Boulud, mini. and Andrew McCutcheon.